Apple TV Plus versus Hulu. Apple TV Plus and Hulu are two popular streaming services, each offering unique content and features. Apple TV Plus focuses on original programming with high quality production, while Hulu provides a mix of current TV shows, movies, and original content. The choice between them depends on user preferences, content selection, and pricing. First, content library. Apple TV Plus primarily features original content, including exclusive series, movies, and documentaries. It does not offer a large back catalog of third-party movies or TV shows. Hulu, on the other hand, has a vast library that includes current TV episodes from major networks, classic shows, and movies. Second, original programming. Apple TV Plus is known for its high-budget originals like Ted Lasso and The Morning Show. It invests heavily in exclusive content, aiming for quality over quantity. Hulu also offers original series such as The Handmaid's Tale, but focuses more on licensed content from other networks. 3. Subscription plans and pricing. Apple TV Plus has a single ad-free subscription plan, making it straightforward and affordable. Hulu offers multiple pricing tiers, including an ad-supported version, an ad-free plan, and bundle options with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Fourth, live TV option. Hulu provides a live TV streaming option that includes access to cable channels, sports, and news. Apple TV Plus does not offer live TV, focusing only on on-demand content. 5. Device compatibility. Both services are compatible with various devices, including smart TVs, streaming devices, gaming consoles, and mobile devices. Apple TV Plus is seamlessly integrated with Apple products, while Hulu is available on a broader range of platforms. 6. User experience and interface. Apple TV Plus has a sleek, minimalist interface designed for Apple users, while Hulu's interface is more focused on browsing a large catalog. Hulu offers personalized recommendations based on viewing habits. 7. Offline viewing. Apple TV Plus allows subscribers to download content for offline viewing. Hulu offers this feature only for its ad-free plan, meaning ad-supported users cannot download content. 8. International availability. Apple TV Plus is available in more countries worldwide, whereas Hulu is primarily available in the United States, with limited expansion in certain regions. 9. Which one is better? Apple TV Plus is ideal for users who enjoy high-quality original content and Apple ecosystem integration. Hulu is better for those who want a broader selection, including current TV shows and live TV options. Apple TV Plus and Hulu serve different audiences. If you prefer original programming and a simple subscription model, Apple TV Plus is a great choice. If you want a diverse content library with live TV options, Hulu is the better pick.